Hi, thank you for joining me today to take a look at Hotel Investor Apps. I plan on giving you a 20-minute high-level overview and would be happy to spend some time with you one-on-one at a later point to dive deeper into our system. You'll see throughout my presentation asterisks beside many items. I've highlighted these as we have significant advantages over our competitors in these areas. HIA is a true ERP, enterprise resource planning software designed specifically for the hotel industry. We give you a single platform to run your whole business on, with secure access and control over who sees what information. There's 6 key areas that we're going to review today: dashboards, financial management, business intelligence, our independent software vendors, award-winning mobile application, and full communication throughout the platform. Let's take a quick look at dashboards. Dashboards give your team the specific information that they want to see on a daily, hourly, monthly basis, and is customized for each of your users, whether it's their CEO, CFO, general manager, or an AP clerk at your offices. You'll have full drill down capabilities from these dashboards into your KPIs to see what exactly makes up the numbers that you're seeing. Data is pulled from PMS, budgeting and forecasting, workflow, and other web-based tools so that your teams can be as efficient as possible and have the information they need to make wise decisions. On your dashboards, you can also stream your cash position across your portfolio or by a single hotel, so through our Bank Connect product. Let's run through the financial management. Our daily report functionality is truly second to none. We have the ability to pull multiple native reports from your PMS or POS systems into this daily report. This significantly decreases the amount of manual data entry and errors that occur when gathering your data. Your daily report will create a journal entry for you on a daily basis or monthly basis should you want that, and it feeds your deposit information into the bank reconciliation module. Workflow can help you automate any redundant process that you want to automate. It is also where your approval processes will reside for accounts payable or even payment approvals with doing check runs. Workflow can significantly reduce your month-end closing time by scheduling and grouping reports together for you as well. The report scheduler can in fact schedule any report in the system, whether it be daily, weekly, or anything else that you need the system to do. Our security is truly second to none. We host your information on Amazon Web Services, AWS. We use their bank level encryption to secure your data. Our role-based security will allow you to hide even sensitive GL codes and also what hardware users log in from. There may be some that you don't want to be able to access the system from their mobile phone. There may be others that you do want to have that flexibility, so you can make that decision as a company. Our user interface as well can be customized per user. On our platform, you do not pay by the user, instead per hotel. So you can have as many users as you need on the platform. One of the ways we simplify this user experience is to give each of your users their own favorites tab and help functionality throughout the platform. They set up their favorites tab with the key areas that they go to on a daily basis. And then all of a sudden, this system becomes very simple to navigate and move around. Automated bank recs is another area where our clients tell us we save them a significant amount of time. The bank statements can be pulled directly in from that Bank Connect product that we talked about earlier, so that the system can do the auto matching that it is capable of. it will leave you with maybe 95% completed automatically, and maybe the 5% outliers that you need to review and address. General ledger and reporting capabilities. We have more than 250 standard reports in the platform, but also have 2 different report writers fully integrated into the system that is native to our system. We're happy to use your chart of accounts or a standard USALI 11th edition chart of accounts that we have and can share with you. Whatever is best for you to start off. Unlike other systems, we use account classes to build your reports so that if you need an item to be added to your chart of accounts, you can add it, and then that class, everywhere that class is throughout your platform, it will populate automatically into those reports. So no manually having to go back to each report and adding every single item in your chart back into those reports. Regarding accounts payable, full document management with the ability to attach and drill down into reports is a nice feature that we have. Other systems have that feature as well and do a good job of that. Unlike the other systems, however, we give you the ability to customize the approval process by vendor, by dollar amount, and any other way that you would like to see that happen. This approval process can be managed in your dashboards, or push notifications can be sent to your mobile application. On our app, you can view the attachment, approve or reject it, even make a comment on why you're rejecting that particular item. A really nice capability is to be able to see who did what inside of our system as well. So throughout our whole platform, you can have a fingerprint of each and every item. Full budgeting and forecasting is also included in our financial management. Customers start with the specific drivers that they want to use and can be customized to their specific needs. Absolutely, you can import from Excel as you may be doing today, but inside of our platform, you can do percentage increases or decreases. You can start from previous forecasts or budgets or a combination of the two, and even start from similar hotels that you may have in your portfolio. Employee expense is something I won't spend a lot of time on, but just like a Concur style functionality, we have it here for you to use in our ERP. I use it myself when I'm traveling to expense any receipts that I need to expense. I take a snapshot with my phone, and then it is uploaded into the system and goes through a typical approval process. Inside of asset management, we have the capabilities for you to have integrated purchase order system, inventory, fixed asset management, etc. Let's take a quick look at our business intelligence platform. It is an integral part of the HIA solution. The labor management will allow you to gain access to your labor data before the payroll is actually completed. So we work with your time and attendance system to pull the data across by portfolio and by hotel, so your team can manage your largest variable expense, labor. You can also set standards for your team and let them manage to those standards and be notified when those standards aren't being met. They can obviously be notified as well. Inside of operations management, it allows you to be notified of certain thresholds also. So instead of you having to go to your system to look for anomalies, the system itself will reach out to you via email or push notification and let you know when those anomalies have been triggered. It will send you that email notification with a link so you can click on that link and see the exact information at your fingertips. Also, inside of operations management, you will be able to pull in data from STR, obviously combine that labor data as well with that tool, and even compare them across your portfolio on a POR basis. So those GL codes that you want to note across your whole portfolio, you can dig into those inside of operations management. Let's talk briefly now about our ISVs, or independent software vendors. We have about 260 highly integrated partners that are hotel centric, help with automation and also productivity. Now, these independent software vendors are not the only software vendors that are integrated with our platform, but these are vendors that have been vetted and have tight integrations into our platform. So when you're trying to automate AP or perhaps automate your payments in the system, it will be able to happen with tight integration and data flowing both forwards and backwards. Our platform, in fact, is built to pull and push data with open API structure. To get your teams all on the same page, our award-winning mobile app has full functionality. Your dashboards and alert will be at your fingertips. The data is synced in seconds, so as you need to access that data, it will be with you when you're traveling or whenever you need that information. You can scan and attach documents, review AP, approve or reject as needed. Even the drill down works on your reporting so that you can see the backup needed to make an accurate decision. Typical onboarding process takes about 8 weeks, but the good news about that is that HIA team does most of the heavy lifting. We'll build your system out totally. We will build out your reporting. We will import your vendors. We map your PMS for you so that you don't have to take time out of your busy schedules to do so. We will map your PMS to the daily report, and then also the daily report to your GL. We become an extension of your team and ask that you review our work to make sure your expectations are met, but we will, as I mentioned, do as much of that heavy lifting as possible. To top off the onboarding experience, we also train your entire team, whether it be your GMs, owners, or systems administrators. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to speaking with you and answering any questions you may have.